This boot I bought for my boyfriend for his birthday. And, you know, it's a beautiful boot, but he wore them once and the heel came off. And just a very disappointed customer here. I don't know how the boot even stayed on because you could see, they're stapled. And so I don't even know how you could see that, you know, look how little bit of, there's no way with that amount of staple that boot, that heel is going to stay on there. And you could see the other one just came out. So very disappointed in the boot. And I mean, I bought less quality shoe or less expensive shoes and I still have them for less money. And if I could, I would not buy, I wouldn't recommend them at all because, you know, one day of wear and you could see that this is the type of quality it is. You're going to have definitely, as my boyfriend put it, a blown rod. So anyways, so this is a pragmatic boot. And then I've noticed on the reviews that there are a lot more like this as well. So obviously don't look at the 4 stars, get into the reviews and read them because it is a bad made boot. Thank you.
En cuanto se las puso mi hijo, se le cayó el tacón. Están muy bonitas, pero muy mala calidad. Mira, muy bonitas. Es la primera vez que se las pone, mira. Muy bonitas por fuera, pero muy chafas. Muy mala calidad. Muy mala calidad. Tan bonitas que se ven, ¿verdad? Muy bonitas, pero muy malas.
So these boots are used by someone. I don't know, they just painted. And then look at this. Look at this. They also smell like cigarettes. And you see they try to fix it inside. I don't know if you can see it, but they try to fix it inside, but no.